Welcome to Tarantula Academy, where I answer all of your questions about tarantulas and even answer some questions you didn't ask. Today's question: what is a tarantula? Most people think tarantulas are just big hairy spiders, but scientifically, they're very different from the spiders you're probably used to. Tarantulas belong to the infraorder Megalomorpha, while spiders like black widows, jumping spiders, and wolf spiders are all part of the infraorder Aranea, which is all the difference in the world. Believe it or not, a tarantula is about as close to a spider as a human is to a rat. Same broad category, wildly different branches. One of the easiest ways to tell? Fangs. Tarantulas have fangs that point straight down like twin daggers, while Araneans, or true spiders, have fangs that are more like crab claws and pinched together. Tarantulas also have two pairs of book lungs instead of one, thicker legs, slower metabolisms, and live much longer, upwards of 30 plus years. Now, even in the order Megalomorphi, which are the other primitive spiders, tarantulas are unique in their own way. The other megalomorphs are things like trapdoor spiders or funnel web spiders. Yes, including the Sydney funnel web spider, the ones that rear up like that, the most venomous spider in the world. Those are the ones to worry about. This is the molt of a female Theraphosa sturmi, one of the largest spiders to ever exist on the face of the earth. And here's the coolest thing, is that fossil evidence says that they've apparently been dated back as far as 250 million years ago. Can you even fathom that there are already tarantulas skittering around before dinosaurs even were talked about? So next time someone says, "That's a spider," you can say, "No, that's a tarantula."